Being vegan can reduce saturated fat and cholesterol. Being vegan, a lifestyle that excludes the consumption of animals and their byproducts, has gained popularity in recent years for several reasons, including potential health benefits. One of the main health advantages of following a vegan diet is its ability to reduce saturated fat and cholesterol intake. So, let's explore how being vegan can help individuals lower their consumption of saturated fat and cholesterol, and ultimately improve their health. Firstly, it is crucial to understand the role of saturated fat and cholesterol in our diets. Saturated fat is commonly found in animal-based products such as meats, dairy, and eggs. Consuming high amounts of saturated fat can raise levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. Elevated LDL cholesterol levels can contribute to the development of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes. By choosing a vegan lifestyle, individuals eliminate the primary sources of saturated fat from their diets, significantly reducing their risk of these health issues. Secondly, vegan diets typically rely on plant-based sources of fat, which are generally low in saturated fat and cholesterol. Plant-based fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, are known as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help decrease LDL cholesterol levels. These healthier fats also contain essential fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6, which contribute to long-term cardiovascular health. Moreover, studies have consistently shown that vegan diets tend to be lower in total fat consumption compared to omnivorous diets. This reduction in total fat intake helps individuals maintain a healthy weight and avoid the risk of obesity-related diseases, such as diabetes and certain types of cancer. It is essential to note that not all vegetarian or vegan diets are automatically healthy. Individuals still need to make mindful food choices to ensure a well-balanced and nutritionally adequate diet. In addition, being vegan promotes an increased intake of fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. These foods are naturally cholesterol-free and can help lower blood cholesterol levels. Fiber also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system, aids in weight management, and reduces the risk of developing various chronic diseases, including heart disease. Furthermore, the absence of meat and dairy products in a vegan diet eliminates the intake of additional harmful substances. Animal products often contain added hormones, antibiotics, and other chemicals, which can have detrimental effects on our health. By eliminating these potential hazards, individuals following a vegan lifestyle can reduce the risks associated with these substances. Despite the numerous health benefits of adopting a vegan diet, it is essential to acknowledge that a well-planned vegan diet is necessary to ensure adequate nutrient intake. This includes consuming sources of vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are typically found in animal-based products. However, with proper planning, it is entirely possible to obtain these nutrients from plant-based sources or through supplements. Consulting with a registered dietitian can help ensure that all nutritional needs are met. In conclusion, being vegan can significantly reduce saturated fat and cholesterol intake, lowering the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. By eliminating animal-based products and embracing plant-based alternatives, individuals can enjoy the benefits of a diet low in saturated fat, high in healthy fats, and rich in fiber. However, it is crucial to approach a vegan diet mindfully, ensuring proper planning to meet all nutritional requirements. With a well-balanced vegan diet, individuals can improve their overall health and well-being. I hope this information on reducing saturated fat and cholesterol was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more tips and topics on being vegan, vegan diets, vegan smoothies, vegan recipes, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are what you eat.